Okay, so this is GBP USD. We are doing what we call top-down analysis. So how I analyze the market, I start from bigger time frames to smaller time frames. So on the bigger time frames, I just want to see the future trend of the market. So on the daily, usually I start from the weekly, but let me start from the daily because this is the same thing I'm gonna see when I go to the weekly time frame. So here I have my first touch and I have my second touch right there on the upper level of the market. I have my first touch there and then my second touch from the lowest low of the market, and then I scale it down to 4 hours just to see clearly if I have the right structure, if I've analyzed the structure properly. So here we have a downtrending structure. So a downtrending structure to me simply means it's a continuation pattern to the upside. So this structure right here is just telling us that the market is not done moving to the upside. The market will still move to the upside until it reaches the levels that it has to reach, which I have to find those levels right now. So the market right now still has the responsibility to come down here for that third touch, which the third touch to me is the highest probability. It also tells me that the probability of this structure has just increased. So I would enter the market right now and go down with it, and then enter again when the market reaches these levels right here. So this level right here is where I will enter the market to swing trade this market and go up with it. So what is happening right now with this market is that there was a long movement before this structure was created. This was the long movement. So now the market is just resting. So the market is telling me that it will continue moving to that side, So what is gonna happen right now to this market is that if I can take this market movement right here, if I can take this movement right here and then connect it with these levels right here, you'll see that the market will just move exactly the same way it did previously, because the market does repeat itself over and over again. So the market will just move, break out and retest that level and then continue moving to the upside until it reaches exactly where that blue market ended. So I'm just gonna analyze this whole market. I'm just gonna predict it anyways. So because I know how the market moves, it's gonna move exactly how it's moving. How I'm predicting the market. So this is what's gonna happen. The market will create this structure, the structure that I'm analyzing right now. This is the structure. Let's zoom it in. So this is what's gonna happen to this market. It's gonna continue moving to the upside after breaking this continuation pattern. So we're gonna have that first touch from the highest high, second touch from the highest high, third touch from the highest high. So as I said, the third touch is the highest probability to enter the market, to swing trade the market, So this levels right here is gonna be our highest probability to enter the market and go down with it. So I'm gonna enter and swing trade this market until we come back to these levels right here to complete that 90% rule. Why am I saying the market will move in this manner? It's because the market was moving in a downtrending way, in an impulsive manner. So this will be just a correction of this market. The market will continue to move to the downside until we reach these levels right here.